Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this completely honest finding changes everything. Hold on a second. I was NGL a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it saves you so much time. It's highly practical, compact, ADN packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this completely honest finding changes everything. Hold on a second. I was NGL a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny because it simply does its